It's K-Drama Fanatics here and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about the upcoming Korean drama this January 2024 entitled Plex X Cup. Plex X Cup is an upcoming South Korean TV series starring An Bo-yoon and Park Ji-yoon. The series narrates the romantic storyline about Jin Yi-soo, played by An Bo-yoon, an immature third-generation chaebol turned detective, and Lee Kang-yoon, played by Park Ji-yoon, a veteran detective in the violent crime department. Kang-yoon initially holds reservations about Yi-soo. Seeing him as a disruption in their relationship ultimately leads to them becoming a partners. An Bo-yoon will be placed as the role of Jin Yi-soo, an immature third-generation chaebol turned detective who loves having fun. He catches criminals by mobilizing not only his enormous wealth and personal connections of the chaebol family, but also his brilliant brain power and various activity skills acquired while having fun. Park Ji-yoon will be placed as the role of Lee Kang-yoon, a veteran detective who loves risking her life during investigation and apprehending criminals. She is the first female team leader in the violent crime department. Kang Sang-joon will be played as the role of Yoo Jun-young. Kim Shin-bi will be played as the role of Choi Kyung-jin. Kwak Si-young will be played as the role of Jin Sung-ju. Jang Yong-sung will be played as the role of Jin Myung-chul. John Ye-jin as Cho Hee-ja. Kim Young-soo as Cho Jung-hoon. Kwon Hae-yo plays as Lee Young-jun. And Yoo Yun-sun as Ko Mi-suk. Plex X Cup is an action, comedy, crime, and romance series. It is scheduled to premiere on SBS on January 26, 2024 and will air every Friday and Saturday. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.